YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video. And as you can tell by the title, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to render your avatar and make a profile picture. Now we have done videos like this before in the past, but those were all very old, months or even over a year ago. So this is a new one, and in this one I'm not going to do anything too advanced. I'm going to show you guys how, as a beginner, anyone can just go ahead and make something very nice and make a nice profile picture. So as you can see, I'm in Studio. We're gonna go to plugins, and you want the load character plugin from Already Pro. So how do you get it? In Toolbox, you can go to plugins, and load character should be right here. So I'm gonna get that, and from here you can load anybody's avatar as you want. So for example, I could just do my own Codite and spawn R15. I'm gonna hit that, and as you can see, here is my avatar. So from here you want to right click and go export selection, and you want to save it somewhere where you can find it. Alright, so the next step, I want you to head over to gfxcomment.com right here, and you're going to want to scroll down to free. Here you can see the Roblox Blender R15 rig. Just want to hit download and enter in your email. You're going to get the link, and you want to get this rig right here. Now once you open the file, you should have something like this right here inside Blender, and from here we're going to hit the third button up top on the top right to enter into viewport shading. And as you can see, there are no textures, so we're going to add that in. So here's how we're gonna do it. You want to click on a body part, go into shading right here, and let's just zoom in so you can see. Okay, so the noob texture right here, you want to hit open, and here you want to select the texture that you have exported earlier. I'm gonna hit open, and as you can see, this will load our texture in, but we don't have our hats and my character looks kind of silly. But you want to go to file, import, wavefront, and from here you want to go to where you exported your model, and click on the object file. Now under geometry, you want to uncheck split by object and go to split by group. Now hit imports, and as you can see, I have my model. So I'm gonna move this aside. Alright, go to objects, set origin to geometry. Alright, from here I'm gonna click on a body part, hold shift and keep clicking. I just want the hat, so delete the body parts. I'm gonna hit X, go delete, and from here I'm just going to select all my items that I have, and I have a bunch right here. Alright, GX, don't need the head, GX, let's go GZ, and from here you want to pose your character, and how you do that is, let's say you want to move the arms. If you click on the shoulder and you hit R on your keyboard, rotate the arm like this. If you hit RX, it will lock it onto the X axis like that. If you hit RY, we'll lock it onto the Y axis like this, and RZ will rotate around Z. So you can pose your character however you want. If you want to bend the arms, just go right here. Obviously you gotta adjust it so it doesn't look weird, since this is an R15 rig. The bent arms aren't exactly smooth because it's based off the actual R15 character. Anyways, if you delete the sphere, you will have a strong sun. If you hit 0 on your number pad, you can enter into camera, and from here you could center your shot like this, and the sun in the background. We could also lower this if you want. And now last step, we're just gonna adjust our materials. So if we click on our hats, we go right here to this tab in metallic. You can turn this up, specular. roughness down, and you can see this just makes it look a little better, a little nicer. Also, this right here, you don't want it too shiny, so I'm just gonna keep it like this right here. That should be fine. And once you're ready, just go up to render and hit render image right here, and your render will complete like so. And now all you gotta do is you gotta image and save as. You wanna make a new document, 2000 by 2000 with a resolution of 150. We're just gonna hit create. Alright, now that we are here, here's what we're gonna do. We're going to select a background color, okay? So I'm gonna go for blue, like this. Make a new layer. We're gonna hit Alt and backspace. It's going to fill our background with this color. Alright. Next, hit new layer again. We're gonna go for our gradient tool, and this time hit D on your keyboard. This is going to reset your colors to black and white. And over here, hit the radio option, the second one. Take on reverse, and make sure you have this option, the second one, selected right here, foreground to transparent. We're gonna hit OK. I'm just gonna find the center right here, and we're just going to drag from the middle to any corner, and you will have this effect. Okay, change the mode to overlay, and as you can see, we have this. You can hit Ctrl J on your keyboard to copy, go back to normal, adjust this however you like. Now if you go online and look up sunrays PNG, you can look for an effects like this, and this is what I'm going to use. So like right here, and what we can do, this will work, is use the eraser tool and just kind of pin it up like that. We could hit new layer, use our brush tool, make our color white, and right here just paint in the middle and make the mode into overlay. So now we have this cool little background. From here we're gonna add our render, as you can see, and with this we're going to right click, let's go into blending options, and from here add inner shadow. As you can see, color is white, and we're just gonna do something like this. It's a nice little effect. You go bevel and emboss, like so. I have these two modes set to overlay. You can copy my settings. If you want, you can add a drop shadow to make it stand out, like this right here. What you could also do is, if you make a new layer, you right click, you hit create clipping mask, it will clip onto the character. Go to your brush tool, make your color black, and we're gonna use this brush to paint some shadows, lower the opacity and flow. Make sure your hardness is at 0, and we're just going to paint the areas where we feel shadows are most prominent. So this area, this as well. Lower the opacity and flow just a bit more. Alright, once you're happy with the shadows, change the color to white, and we're gonna use this to paint highlights. So use this to paint where you think it should be brighter at. So these areas. Here. Alright, now we're going to change the mode to overlay, and as you can see, this will change the lighting of our character into something that looks a bit more interesting. You can copy it twice. Let's go to soft light mode, and from here we could add a color lookup. using this, you can change, you can add some different settings. As you can see, let's try to find one that fits what we're looking for. I'm gonna use a graphics pack. Now, if you want a free graphics pack, just go to gfxcommon.com, and we have some free ones you can download. This one is also available, so this one I'm using. I'm gonna look for. I think I'm gonna go for lights. No, I'm gonna go for, let's see, stock effects. This little lightning effects. I'm gonna use this. Change the mode to screen, and from here, I'm gonna hit Control U to bring up a hue saturation. Change the color to green to match the hats I have. As you can see, it looks really cool. Rotate it a little bit to add some more variety, like that. And from here, there are many more effects you can add, obviously. So this seems pretty cool. If you want to add this to, I guess, the back, so just drag it to the back. Right here, you can add this too, like this. You can add some particles. I think smoke would be cool to just kind of finish off the image. If we go to smoke, this stuff is pretty cool. If you guys wanna go ahead and add that. There's some smoke effects. Let me give you an example of what I mean. Like this, maybe. If we just move it here, some little smoke down here. And to finish everything off, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna click the top layer. We're going to hold shift, click on the background. We're gonna hit Control G. We're going to make a new layer, so hit the new layer button. We're gonna go up to image and we're gonna hit apply. We're gonna hit OK. And now we're gonna copy by hitting Control J. We're gonna go up to the filter, camera raw filter, right here. And from here, you want to turn the texture all the way up, and you will see the difference already. Vibrance up as well, exposure. You can increase or lower the contrast, but for these settings here, just adjust these to your liking. So I'm just gonna play around. Whites, you don't want too much, it's gonna look way too bright like that, so keep it modest. So around here, and not too much contrast either, or it's gonna look too dark, so keep it like here. If you want to increase the clarity, you go ahead, but you see what that does. Dehaze, alright, detail, noise reduction, just a little bit of sharpening. We're gonna hit OK, and now you see the before and after. So as you guys can see, that right there is your completed profile picture avatar render. If this video helps you guys, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, check out our store. We have free products, we have free templates, and also products you could check out and purchase for yourself. Thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.